Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bagel shape. Achieving that classic bagel shape is easier than you think with a few simple steps. We'll start with your perfectly proofed dough, ready for its transformation. Dividing the dough evenly is key for consistent bagels, so aim for portions around 4 ounces each. Then, we'll learn how to roll these into smooth, tight balls, setting the foundation for a great chew. Now let's get to the fun part, creating the hole. Take a dough ball and gently poke your thumb right through its center. Once you have a hole, carefully stretch it out. You want the opening to be about 1 inch wide, allowing for even cooking and that signature bagel look. Keep the hole open as you work, preventing it from closing up.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these bagel shaping tips useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It features voice control, self-emptying, and is super pet-friendly. You can find the link for this amazing robot vacuum and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Another popular technique is the rope and join method. Start by rolling a dough portion into a long, even rope, roughly 6 inches in length. Next, bring the two ends together, overlapping them by about 1 inch. This overlap is crucial for a strong seal. Firmly pinch the overlapped ends together, ensuring they are securely joined to form a perfect circle. This method creates a slightly different texture. Regardless of the method you choose, consistency is vital. Try to maintain a similar hole size across all your bagels for even baking. Remember not to overwork the dough during shaping. Gentle handling keeps it tender. Once shaped, place your bagels on parchment paper. This prevents sticking and prepares them for their next step, whether it's boiling or a final proof.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.